Now that we've installed and activated the software, you'll have this icon on your desktop. When you open the icon, the XPress software will be launched, and it will open like this on the desktop. You can drag this toolbar around, place it wherever you want on the desktop. You can also click on the logo and it will minimize this and make it a lot smaller so you can kind of tuck it away. Tap it again to reopen it. There are three modes: blackboard, whiteboard, and transparent. And then we have an options button here. You can open saved versions. There's the help file, and this is how you close the program. So let's go in and take a look at how to use the toolbars once we open a page. So I'm going to pick a whiteboard page, and now you see this toolbar changes now, and it's the page navigation toolbar. So you can go forward or backwards. If you click forward and there isn't already a page, it'll just add a page. So let me show you how that works. Let's make this page 1, and I'm going to click forward, and now this is page 2. If I go back, I'm back on page 1. If I want to delete a page, I'll go back to page 2. I just go to the page and I click this button and it will delete it. It says, "Are you sure?" Just say yes. Now I've got just page 1 again. From here you can save the file as an IMPAD file. When we do that, we can open it for editing later, or we can export it as a PDF or to JPEGs if we want to share them. You can also print all the pages, or just arrange, or the current page. And you can export to PDF right here from this button. We also have these toolbars. One of the more fun tools is this camera tool. So if you have a Recordex document camera, you can click the tool, drag a box, and select your camera. Click Save. And there we've got a live view of an image under our document camera. So if we wanted to take a look at this from here, you can take snapshots, record video, zoom in, zoom out. One nice thing is you can then have this here, you can annotate over top of it, and then you can use the rest of the whiteboard space as standard whiteboard space while you have the live camera image embedded into it. I'll go over more about how to use all these tools in another video. This is just meant to get you used to how the user interface works. So you can click and drag each of these toolbars by clicking here. You can minimize them by clicking on the little arrows. That just tucks them away up into the side. So now I have my pen tool selected. I don't need the toolbars open anymore if I don't want them open, and the pen still works. If I want to go select another tool, just go up to the annotation toolbar here, tap on the arrow, and I can pick a different tool. To close toolbars, click the red X, and that does the same thing. It just minimizes them over to the side. You can select from the presentation tools as well. Whenever you tap on a tool, you're going to get a little context menu. When you click on the options button, it gives you the options for that tool. So here I can change the size, the shape, or the opacity of the spotlight tool. When you're finished, just click the options button again, and then you can go back to using the tool. To close the tool, click the red X. When you're finished, just click the X here in the main toolbar. It's going to ask if you want to save those pages before you exit. I'll say yes, and I'm going to save them here to my documents folder, and I'll call that test. Insert. Now if I go back here and click open, you'll see my recently saved files. There's a test IMPAD that I just had open. I'll click that, and there are all the elements that I had from before. Even my document camera image comes back as a live image, as long as the camera is still connected. Alright, that's how you get around the software. The future videos will show you how to use the tools in more depth.